Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back. It's good to have you here in the studio, and we're going to be talking about finance today. How do you go about building your Amazon business if you are on a low budget, or maybe if you just want to get finance in terms of funding your product. So we're going to be talking about that on this video today. So let's get started. Welcome back, everyone. It's good to have you here. So, getting finance for your products, right, for your budget. Now, I actually do partner up with some people on some of our partnership programs, right? I actually do partner up with you. If you have a great product and it's out there and it's making money and you're looking to get finance, I can actually come in on the deal, so to speak, and help you with that. Now, if you are looking to fund your products and join some of our training programs, there are ways you can do that. So you can basically work with me for the next 12 months and I will coach, guide you, give you product ideas, help you basically find suppliers and list your product on Amazon, all right? And that is, you can actually work with me from $25 a week, all right? So basically the cost of one dinner at a pub down the road of a pint and a pie, right? You can work with me to build a business, all right? So from $25 a week. Now I'll be working for 12 months and you actually get bonuses. There is weekly coaching. You get to jump on the phone with me. You also get to come with a partner. So 2 tickets to one of my live events on the Gold Coast. So we actually help you do that, all right? So make sure you come to that event. Now, if you are looking for more hands-on roles, so maybe you're looking like, hey, Alex, it's all well and good being involved in your course, but what if I have questions? What if I want to get you more involved working with me? Well, guys, I can do that for you. So we actually have another program where it's a little bit more in-depth. I'm not your business partner or anything with this particular program, but I just get more hands-on. You get one-on-one face time with me, and I actually list your product on Amazon for you. So I help you not only guide you to find your product, to find supplies, but also I help you list your product on Amazon, your very first product on Amazon for you. So maybe that will be interested, maybe you'll be interested in that. And the good thing about that is I don't take away from the learning. I actually do teach you how to go about doing it yourself, but then I actually do it for you. So you can always go in, you can always check and see how it's done properly. Now, it's a good thing. I mean, it's kind of like building a house, right? If you bought a house and you bought the building supplies and it landed on this empty block of land like IKEA and you had to assemble it yourself, would you actually assemble it yourself and would you do a good job? And the chances are you probably wouldn't, right? But you'd be better off getting a builder to come in, looking at the schematics, looking at the blueprint, and actually building it for you, and you watching him do it. So the next time you get, one of those houses, you can build it yourself. And it's kind of like a business, kind of like a proper product, right? I build the store for you. You get to go in there and you get to see how it's all built, how we write the copy, how we write the headlines, and basically how we design the product. And then you can go, and in the future, you'll learn how to do it, and you can do it for your second product, third product, and 5th, 10th, 20th product, up to you, all right? So that option's there as well. If you're interested in that, you can actually work with us on that program from $77 a week. So 2 pints and 2 pies, guys, you can actually be working with me on building a business, all right? So that's a common question we got. Now, the great thing about this is because we've teamed up with a finance company, they can actually finance your products as well. You need to speak to them. It's not part of us. You need to speak to them about that. But you can actually finance your products as well with them, all right? So you can actually borrow money on great deals, and you can fund your first initial order on Amazon and buying from sites like Alibaba. So guys, check that out. If you have any questions, give us a call in the office. We're based in Sydney. The number's below here, 02 8003 7534. That number again is 02 8003 7534. My name's Alex Ryan, guys. I wish you the very best on your Amazon journey. And don't forget to check out and subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right? If you want to get the latest updates from Amazon, on Amazon trading and finding hot products, check out my channel. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.